Do you have a sweet tooth? Yes? Then you're going to love this episode as we are making the most popular and loved Indian dessert, Rasmalai or Rasmalai. We will be making the tweaked version of the traditional recipe here. They are instant made with breads, but trust me, they taste delicious, almost like the original ones, and no one can even get a hint of it unless you confess. They are faster, fussy, and taste heavenly. Boiling milk and cutting the breads are the only tasks in this recipe.
This tastes delicious!
Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet. Let's get straight to the recipe. Take 1 liter of full fat milk or whole milk in a heavy bottomed pan and bring it to a boil. Remember, using full fat milk is mandatory for getting the desired results. Keep the flame in low and add 3/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk or milk made. There's nothing to worry if you do not have condensed milk. You just need to add half a cup of sugar and spend a little extra time in thickening the milk. The advantage of using sweetened condensed milk is it thickens the milk quicker and there is no need to add any extra sugar. Keep stirring to avoid milk from sticking to the bottom of the vessel. If you adore that beautiful yellow color, then add a pinch of saffron. Then goes in mixed nuts of your choice. Save some for garnishing. As milk thickens, keep a close watch as it tends to burn if you do not stir. Scrape the cream from the sides and keep adding it in the milk. The rabdi or ras is almost done. Flavor it with half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it a good mix. Don't make the rabdi too thick. This is the right consistency as it tends to thicken while it cools down. Turn off the flame, set it aside to cool, and then put it in the fridge to chill. Meanwhile, let's work on the breads. In the traditional recipe, chenna or paneer is prepared by curdling the milk. They are then made into balls that are boiled in sugar syrup. As we are making the instant version, we will use white breads. Do not use brown or other variations for this recipe. Make sure to use fresh breads. Cut them into small discs using a cutter or lid as shown. Place the breads in a bowl just before serving, or else they may turn soggy. Add chilled rabdi, garnish with more nuts and serve. You can store the rabdi in the fridge and use it for 3 to 4 days. Keep in mind to use fresh breads right before serving. There are no words to describe this intense, rich, creamy and sweet taste on the palate when eating a spoonful of rasmalai. Light, spongy, spiced softly with cardamom and delicate saffron, they must be tasted to be fully admired. When you have guests coming over and you don't have much time for cooking, then this version of rasmalai comes to the rescue. This dessert will earn you praises for sure.
Wow! This tastes delicious!
Please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell and select all to get notified on my upcoming videos. Do give me a thumbs up if you like my video and share it with your family and friends. Take care and stay happy.